Hi, welcome to our Kentucky home. I'm going to be making a very simple Christmas candy. It takes 12-ounce package of white chocolate chips, cup and a half of chopped pecans, and a cup and a half of raisins. That's all it takes. I'm going to melt the chocolate chips, and then all we're going to do after that is stir stuff together. So, because this is a thick dish, I've got that in. I'm going to start out at a minute and check it and see. It may have to go longer, and if it does, that's okay. That's fine. Whatever it takes to get them little morsels all melted. Just whatever it takes. Are y'all about done with all your Christmas stuff? I'm late getting started to this. Been making a little bit here and there, but yeah.
But the stuff she's making isn't making it to Christmas.
No, it's not.
It barely makes it to the next day.
Okay,
So
I'm going to stop it right now, 25 seconds. I'm going to start stirring some. You can see that starting to melt in there. Mix that up. Get off of there. I really don't have too many microwave dishes that'll hold this stuff. So now I'm going to go for 30 seconds. And may have to take it out before then. You're just going to have to keep an eye on it. Because I really don't have a time. I'm just kind of guesstimating. Time-a-mating.
Next time you do it, you'll know how long to go.
Yeah, that's right. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off. Oh, it's starting to come together. It is. Now, I've never used the almond bark or any of those barks, whatever they are. I think there's chocolate, almond, I don't know. But this is just always a good go-to for your chocolate chips. What I'm going to do to get all this off of here, I'm just going to take this table knife, that's what I call them, and just scrape that off. Then I'm going to go back. It's back and forth. But it's okay. It's all good. So I'll put it back in for about 15 seconds. Then I'll check it again. This is the fun part, going back and forth and back and forth.
Now the fun part's eating it.
Yeah. Yeah. It's going to be sticky when you mix all this together.
Right.
It's going to be very sticky. Ooh, we are getting there. Yeah. Matter of fact, I think we are there.
Okay.
See how smooth that is and creamy looking?
That was about 1 minute and 15 seconds total.
Okay. That's good. I don't know if I'm going to need this, but I'm going to bring this over here because now...
Sorry if I made anybody dizzy or trip over.
And I pivoted on my knee without even thinking. But it's okay right now.
That's what got you in the mess the first time.
I know. I know.
No pivoting.
I know. That's just me. I'm a pivoter. That is what happened. Just gonna mix this all together. Oh man. Almost gonna be like them chunky bars. If anybody remembers those candy bars.
Yeah, I do.
Oh, those were good.
My favorite.
Yes. So good.
They still sell them at the Cracker Barrel, but they're like,
oh gosh,
$3 for an extra large one or something.
Yeah, we don't eat at Cracker Barrel, but every once in a while, I like to just have Eric take me in to look at the shop and look at all the stuff in it. Very, very rarely do we buy anything in there because stuff's expensive. But they have some of the old-fashioned candies, and we look at them and look at the prices, and it's like, oh my gosh, really?
I remember when that was like 48
I
cents.
know. I think we're dating ourselves, hon.
That's okay. I'm old, so it's all right.
Yeah, me too. That's okay. Make sure I try to get all this. What you're going to do is you're just going to take a teaspoon and drop these onto your parchment paper. What I've got. So, there you go. Just get off of there. What a time I have sometimes in the kitchen. So, we're just going to get little teaspoonfuls. They already look good.
Yep.
They do. Smush that back together there. Some people tell me I shouldn't use my finger to push this food. Well, you know what? I've been doing it for about 65 years. So I think it's okay.
Your hand's clean.
It's our kitchen.
Yeah.
You know, this is for our family. So you do you, and I'll do me.
It's not made any of us sick yet. I doubt
Hopefully it don't, since I've been doing it for years. Oh, this is going to be so good. If you like white chocolate,
I do.
Raisins,
I do.
Pecans,
They're okay.
This is it, folks. This is it. I think I'm making them too big now. Oh well, they're just going to be different sizes, and that's okay. Now you're going to set these in the refrigerator to let them get good and chilled. I would say, I don't know, maybe 30 minutes, maybe not that long. I don't think it should take more than 30 minutes.
Why not? On the setup.
Yeah. Boy, I can't hardly wait.
Me neither.
That's right. I just think they're going to be so good with that mixture.
Yeah.
Like I said, my brother, he's on blood thinners, and he lives with us, and he cannot eat cranberries. And there's certain greens he can't eat either, because it messes up his blood test when they do it. So, I don't think I'm working fast enough. I think I'm talking too much. But that's me. I'm a talker. I am. Oops. I always seem to make some loud noises when I'm in here.
That's okay.
Yeah. It'll be okay. Got my handy dandy little kitchen towels hanging around my neck. Yeah, these are definitely have to set up. See if I can get a few more on there. May have to end up putting some on another pan. These might get quite a few. Just want to make sure they're all hung in there together. Whoops, that one tried to run away. But he didn't quite make it.
Get back there with your buddies.
Yes, get back there. I'm just going to kind of get some little small ones now. If your dough gets too sticky, just put it back in the microwave for a little bit. That'll be fine. I love cooking for my family. I really do. That's all we're going to get on that one. So this is going to have to go on another small pan. And I'm probably going to put this back in the microwave because I wasn't working fast enough. But I am not a fast person. I have one speed, and that's slow. But we're going to set these up in the refrigerator, let them get chilled, and then we're going to come back and show y'all the finished product and the taste test.
Do we get to eat them then too?
Yes, my sweet Eric will be my taste tester.
Yay.
So we'll see y'all back. We checked these after 10 minutes and they were already set up. So it doesn't take no 30 or 20 minutes on these. It's 10 minutes. And I tasted of one and oh my gosh, it tastes just like a chunky candy bar except with white chocolate. Now, my sweet Eric, he's going to be the taste tester. There you go, hon.
Okay, we'll try this one.
Ooh.
It looks good.
Yeah.
That's good.
It does. It tastes like a chunky candy bar. 3 ingredients. So easy to make, folks. See, you can make candy. I hope y'all like the recipe. I hope you try it. Remember, if you're on Facebook, to please like, share, and subscribe. And we love y'all.